Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to upload old photos to iCloud now. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and iCloud Photos is turned on. This syncs your library. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power so uploads won't pause. You should also update the device to the latest iOS or Mac OS and run a local backup. That protects against accidental loss. Now open Photos and prepare the album or folder of images you'll upload. You'll import the old photos into the Photos app because iCloud only syncs what's in your library. Connect the external drive or locate the folder, then use Import or Add to Library and select the images. As items import, Photos prepares them for iCloud. You'll see progress bars and an uploading status. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage isn't interfering if you want originals uploaded. Keep the device awake and the Photos app open, and monitor the progress so nothing stalls mid-transfer. You'll finish by confirming that iCloud has the uploaded items. Check all photos count and the status bar for updated or completed. If uploads stall, first check your iCloud storage quota and free space, then restart Photos or sign out and back into your Apple ID. This often clears sync issues. If that fails, import and sync from a Mac via Finder or the Photos app for a more reliable transfer. One key troubleshooting tip: low storage or weak Wi-Fi is the most common culprit. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.